everyone's over this. Every 5 of 5 so you know, get it and literally rip it up. Who the fuck? No.
I want to play.
What more chicken? This is Colonel's special favourite reason gravy on it. Is it the original recipes? Actually, like the most original piece of KFC history eating. I mean, seriously, it's an ancient recipe, everything. It's an ancient recipe. Tell you what's every. Guys. Two in now, I'm using pause to actually get the kernels and chickens. That is great KFC if you can. Eat with our hands, so don't really eat with knives and forks. With a KFC meal or a snack box, you eat it with what with it again? Your hands and fingers. In the summertime, and the feeling is fine. It's been that time. Not for you flies, not for you wasps, not for you wasps, not for you wasps, not for you wasps, not for you wasps. Wasps. On the hay, so there's some chicken bones and around, so that follows them underneath the lid of the gravy boat, and this is when you're hitting the, what are they called, like giblet parts of the fleshing bone. There's more of like the giblet bone, or blue bottle on giblet, blue on jib. Bog off, it says you can fucking bog off. This is my fucking name, bog off. And we got another one's coming as well. Yeah, they're coming home now. We have a humble song. You don't know how many my wasps could appear. I'm going to put my final bit in. It's got Bilbo Baggins written all over it. Yeah. What's that? Excuse me, wasp. Thank you very much. was so. A little tender went quicker than. Fast train on platform 4. Right. Whatever the fuck it is, 3/4. Or 4, equals 3/4. Whatever it is, you know when the fast trains come in, you can blink and it'll be over. Fast trains. And so good chickens. In terms of the fries, KFC fries, wow, what a change. I'm actually morbidly impressed with the seasoning over the fries. This KFC, cinnamon buns. You can rest for a bit. Let's have a rest for a bit and go back to it later. Exactly what I thought, cat. That's why you found that, isn't it? Like that. Love you, Katan. Love you, Katan. Hope you're not owning me, Katan. Love it. It's the essence of cats. How do I get you on the tongue? Seriously. You don't like fucking these ones, isn't it? That's it. No, I don't know the layout of cats in Westminster Lodge pools. I don't know how you say you like this one, unless you do some ponds. You do have some experience with pond work, don't you? About the guy with the fish, etc., etc. Alright, we've done this. Might do next time because you bloody can't get enough of it, can you, Katan? What, so KFC for cats? Katan? Excuse me? Did you just fuff me for you having my Colonel favourite chicken? Why the hell did you just fuff me because you were trying to hatch my gravy mega box? That is outrageous. What's KFC for snakes? Does that exist, did you asking me? I said like KFC for reptiles. Does that exist? It's probably a different range. Because most likely there's having bugs instead of, let's say, the chickens. But you're saying reptile, actually, yeah, makes sense. If you're taking chickens as prehistoric, if you say chickens as bugs, I understand where you're coming from. I understand. That's how chicken was a bugs to us. Well, that means creatives, individuals, and nutritional experts, and communities. In the summertime and the weather is fine, it's ripening the time. Can I just take them to you? Let me see if there's another available salt. to make it even saltier. Big old salty bit of chicken and chips, isn't it? Once again, straight down a fucking snazzy goblet. Meat. Yorkshire. I forgot to get a fucking belly bar. Some fucking wrinkles. What a dipset wrinkle is that? I feel myself a dipset wrinkle. Drink the fucking diarrhea. Put it back out again. You want to do a shake? KFC highs. Dumped in that. Sicily. KFC highs. Or 27, yeah. Oh yeah. What do you think that's called? Don't let me pay Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, don't you? Sometimes we can usually discuss these issues of predictions. Movements, bowel movements, serious piece. You're only getting KFCs. Mine. Right. Take refuge underneath that spoilt fucking napkin. Right?